Bored in the summer due to COVID-19. Watch this video. In this video, I gonna present some interesting summer ideas and daily timetable for classes 6 to 10. Myself Vishal. Welcome to Vishal'sTalentFactory. And welcome my dear audience. Today I gonna give some tips from that you all can get some fun, joy and study and also not getting bored by this summer due to this pandemic COVID-19 situation. I know you all guys are bored in this summer by this COVID-19 situation since 1 year. Let's start. Interesting summer ideas. Reading some interesting books or your favorite books for 30 minutes. This is the tip number 1. Tip number 2. Write an interesting story by collecting all incidents, memories and few situations happened in your life or in your parents' life. Tip number 3. If you have a room, plan or design and make it beautiful as you like, but remember that do this only taking help of your parents. Make a habit of writing a diary at night, and this is the tip number 4. We have completed interesting summer ideas. If you are choosing any one or if you are choosing any 2 or 3 or 4, please comment in the comment section. Daily timetable for classes 6 to 10th. And hello students, are you all feeling tough or fear about your portion and exams and also unable to adjust your timetable for exams and tests? Don't worry, I'll help you all guys by giving you few tips and help to score well in exams or in tests. Let's start. And this is the timetable for classes 6 to 8. All students of classes 6 to 8 wake up by 7 a.m. Refer to books related to your lessons after breakfast or after your fresh up. Practice for better handwriting in 4-rule paper. Daily read and understand 2 subjects, that is, each subject equal to 1 lesson. Practice and understand an exercise of a max chapter with the help of well-educated elders. Take a help of well-educated elders. And now, timetable for classes 9 to 10th. At classes 9 and 10, wake up at 6 a.m. Wake up by 6 a.m. Or if you can also wake up for 5:34. But try to wake up by 6 a.m. or before also. It's very good. Brush up yourself and start reading a subject in which you are weak or you want to become genius. Refer to books related to your topics in the lessons. Daily read and understand 2 subjects, that is, each subject equal to 1 lesson. Practice and understand few exercises of mathematics chapter. Try to do some science experiments with the help of guidance of elders. Now research about a topic which you want to know more about with the help of books and internet. Now check yourself by conducting a slip test in any subject, any one subject daily. It's compulsory. I hope you all understand the video and also do this every day. Mainly timetables. Summer ideas is your wish. Thank you.